Hi and welcome back to the course. In this video we're going to be looking at a couple more methods from the post class. It's going to be a really quick video. The first method I want to create is to create a fromMongo method. And what this method will do is it will allow us to say post.fromMongo, give it an ID, and it will give us back the Mongo data that we get from the database. So this is also going to be a static method as we looked at in the last video. And what this does is it says data is database.find1 from posts. And I'm going to say collection equals posts. And remember, this collection equals is completely optional. You don't have to write it in there if you don't want. I like to write it in there. And I will start doing so from now, essentially, just to help us continue to get acquainted with Python and do things not the right way, because there is no single right way, but slightly better, slightly more readable, just good practices overall. So the collection is posts, and what we are finding is a post that has the ID. And this is called the query. And what this will do is it'll find one post that has this ID that we passed the method as a parameter. So now we'll be able to do something like post.fromMongo 1, 2, 3. And what that'll do is it'll give us the post that has ID 1, 2, 3. And then instead of data equals, we're going to say return. And we're going to return this data here. Similarly, we can also return all of the posts belonging to a specific blog. From blog ID, and then we'll return database.find posts query equals blog ID, ID is ID, and this would be collection equals. So the ID that we give it, we will use there, and then the collection we're looking for is in post. This will find all of the posts that live in a specific blog ID. But do notice that this is not going to return a list of posts, it is going to return a PyMongo cursor. So what I want to do is say post for post in here. And now this will return a list of the posts. Okay, so these are two quick methods that will let us get a post from MongoDB and also get all the posts belonging to a specific blog. In the next couple of videos, we're going to be creating the blog class, and finally we're going to be able to put data into our blog. So I'll see you in the very next video.